Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my private jungle. My name is Marek. In this episode I'm gonna make epic, ultimate, super fantastic, insanely tasty, healthy summer salad with cherry tomatoes, cucumber, freshly roasted almonds, blueberry and my favorite, Polish cottage cheese called brinza. Okay, but first, as usual, I would like to present collection of all components that we need to create this extremely delicious salad. Amigos, extremely delicious superfood just landed in my office. Bon appetit. Even bon appetit very much. This is real superfood. Super easy to make, super healthy, and super tasty. So, wow! Even double wow!